Okay, this is a great tool, and I really think you're gonna like it. It's a fun one too. It's a blog idea generator, and what this does is it allows you to come up with great article ideas that people will want to read, and it actually helps you create headlines for those articles. And so that's kind of how I like to think of it, as a headline generator, maybe. And all you have to do is go to hubspot.com/blog topic generator, just like that. So once you've typed that in there, you should arrive to a page that looks like this, and you'll just enter in some keywords about whatever category you kind of write in. This is where you'll put that information. So I typically write about faith and family, and so I might want to write an article about like fatherhood or parenting, something like that. So we'll just throw in that parenting, fatherhood, and maybe faith. Click give me blog ideas, and this will give you several ideas to actually write blogs about. So number 1, 15 best blogs to follow about parenting, why we love fatherhood and you should too, 5 tools everyone in the faith industry should be using, 20 myths about parenting, the worst advice we've ever heard about fatherhood. So you can see how these would be attractive titles, attractive topics to write about. And there's a few things here and there you'll have to tweak to make it kind of fit and be appropriate. I wouldn't just use any of these probably verbatim, but I wouldn't have to change much. They're pretty great. Like 20 myths about parenting, that's a really great one. That'd be a really powerful article, I feel like. So that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. It's free to use, and I would use it as much as possible.